my lovely Pisces friend. This is Sri Vidya. I'll be doing your September month love relationship reading. So, cards are already shuffled. I'm asking my guides to help me. Please help me. Please get the reading correct. Okay, and let me guide you properly what you're going through. So, we'll be starting your reading. What is your current self? Please give me the current self of my Pisces friends. Current self for my Pisces friends. Whosoever is watching, my subscribers and my friends. Okay, you are coming out of, what I am seeing is that this is 5 of cups in reverse. So this basically means that you are coming out of, you are recovering from a loss. There has been some loss. Someone walked, maybe you walked out of a situation, or your partner walked out of you, because there could be many reasons. But right now what I'm seeing is that you are regretting, you were regretting it, whatever happened between you two, and now you are overcoming it. Now you're like, now in a mode of recovery. Your foundation energy, please. Foundation energy for my Pisces friends. Foundation energy, please. Okay, a very good card has come for you. 4 of Wands. This is for me, this represents marriage, this represents engagement. So although you are suffering as of now, but in overall picture, your guides are telling me that some good news is coming your way. So you just need to have faith in them, have faith in the divinity. This is like foundation of it. This is a foundation card, and foundation card always means something that is major, that you need to put your energies into. You need to concentrate over this also. And if this is a beautiful card, this is definitely something like something. And also dragonfly over here represents something, a good luck, good wishes, your efforts being rewarded. So, although what I'm seeing currently, you're suffering, you're recovering from it, but your guides are telling me to tell you that good times are coming. Okay, past. What happened in the past? Give me a card for past. Wheel of Fortune. There's a major arcana, major thing happened in the past, and this represents the luck didn't support you. Somehow you felt that even though you put so much effort in it, and especially lovers at the bottom of the deck, this means that you were totally in love with a person, whosoever he was. And he kind of whatever happened was not under your control. That's what I am getting. This is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. You could be connecting with Aries, Leo, Sag as well. Okay, that was not the destined time. Maybe they are telling me to tell you that that was not the destined time. Whatever happened, that was supposed to happen. You could not have avoided it. That was supposed to happen. Your crowning card. Crowning card. I've got a crowning card for, wow, 10 of Pentacles. In the recent future, you're just going to be focusing on money, prosperity. There's a lot of abundance that is coming your way. You have done so much of effort in the past, and you'll be getting a reward of it also. Very beautiful cards are coming for you. Although in the past there were some major losses, but now things are turning. The wheel that was against you, now it's favoring you, what I'm seeing. Because, okay, the future card is 9 of Swords. Again, this is like something dealing with a depression, dealing with some anxiety. In your future, there could be a scenario where you could be tensed about something. We'll be getting clarificatory cards as well, and you are in an angry mode, that I am seeing. Okay, let me get clarification for 5 of Cups. What happened in the past that you were regretting, and you were coming out of it? What happened? Why my Pisces are regretting? Were regretting actually. You must have buried this also. You must have just this thing is over for you. What I am feeling, sensing. Magician. Now, the Magician basically is air energy, and Okay, let me get one more card for this. This is a very good card, Magician. You can't be repenting over something good. So what happened? What happened? This could also mean that you gave so much of an effort into it, but you got nothing. This is Four of Swords. It's like what I am sensing is that you gave everything into it. If had this been your fault, you were so much apologetic towards it. You just repented over it. You took actions over it also, but you were not heard of. The person, your person, must have just left. Although you might have tried very hard. You accumulated all your energy and you put everything into it, but you got nothing back. And then you were just like resting. You two are not communicating as of now, that I'm getting. Although bottom of the deck is like Eight of Wands, this also means that one is blocking, other one is trying to communicate. Okay. Foundation card, please. Foundation card, please. Right now I'm not getting total picture of it. Let me pull all other cards, then only we can get to the story, what actually happened. Foundation card, please. Four of Wands is explained by Judgment reverse. Okay, they are saying your guardian angels are telling me that you are not uh, listening to the positive aspect of the situation, to the things that is in your hand. Something other good stuff are also coming around you, but you're not paying your attention towards it. You need to pay attention towards it. You're not concentrating over it. You might be stuck towards your past energy, your partner who could have left, even though you are in totally like denial that I did everything, but then also I got nothing. That could be a scenario. Again, I am telling you, my dear friends, this is general reading, and further you can switch the role. Although this doesn't happen with my reading, but sometimes I should take the probability that it could happen. So I am taking that this is your energy, and you have put so much effort into to be in a particular in a relationship, your past relationship, but then also that didn't work out, and your guardian angels are telling me to take your attention towards something good, or towards your family also, something that is good in your life. You're not paying attention to that. That could also be you cannot take anything for granted. You need to focus on what is also what has been given to you, what has been bestowed to you. Okay, past energies, please. Wheel of Fortune. What happened that went against my Pisces? What happened in the relationship that went against my Pisces friend? What happened? You were waiting in the past for something to see. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune reversed. Again, the Wheel of Fortune reversed is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune reversed. Another day. This means that was a major thing that happened in your life, that you were not lucky enough to have it. You waited for it long. You are regretting it as of now also. You put so much of effort into it. Then also things slipped away, right? As of now also not getting why, what happened with the other party. Those cards I'll take later. Give me clarification for Ten of Pentacles. This is a crowning energy. You'll be getting reward of the efforts that you put in the past. And the moon is your energy, my dear Pisces friend. Here comes your energy. Moon is Pisces energy, and Hanged Man is water energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. Okay. Now what here I am sensing is that something is hidden from you. something you don't know about what, like I'm talking to you that you there is so much of abundance that is coming your way, but still you are not getting what kind of abundance is getting my way. Why this is coming my way? This is not clear to you. Let me get one more card to it. This could become as a surprise also. Someone could be gifting you also. Now the King of Swords, it's a fatherly energy as well for me. And like something something whatever is happening, uh, this is like somehow a very contradictory cards are coming, but then also if I what I feel is that ki whatever happened, that happened, that was destined to happen, that is good for you, that will bring lots of abundance to you. Someone, you are going to cut someone away. There is so much suspicion around this, clarity is not there, but remember that it is the best thing that can happen in your life. One of the best thing that can happen in your life. Clarity is coming your way. Something is coming from out from the shadow, and you'll know in depth why this happened, what is happening. Right now you are not clear, but in future you are going to be very clear, and there might be a situation where you are going to take a strong hold on of your life. You could be cutting someone off as well. Why Nine of Sword is here? Why Nine of Sword is here? Oh my god, why? This is so, like some I might say, although card is negative, but this is amazing that Nine of Sword is again clarified by Nine of Sword. Although this is in reverse, this is something that things might go out of your control. You could be thinking, you are right now thinking about the past person, but in the future it could be so, it could go out of your hand. Like you if you are not, if you not concentrate over your good, whatever you guys are telling me to show you, your happiness in your family, you might get depressed in future as well, that I am getting. You might not be able to sleep at night in future. So again I'm telling you, my friends, tarot is not about that this is the certain future. No, this is not about that this is only this thing is going to happen. No, this is the scenario that is the, like a mathematical chart. This is a scenario that is coming up because of your present circumstances. Like you are regretting, you're not paying attention to your family, you are not feeling lucky enough, and then this could lead to depression also. One thing that I'm not sure here is that what happened with your partner. Let me get some card regarding your partner. What your partner, or the current self of the partner of Pisces, the ex-partner, current self. Please give me a card. The current self of the partner of my Pisces friend. Current self. Oh my God, your partner is hurt. My dear Pisces friends, something happened between you two. You are regretting, and your partner is hurt. Why the Three of Swords is here? Give me a clarity card. Why Three of Swords? Give me more. Because he is not feeling victorious. He is like he is feeling that his wishes have not come true. You might have, I'm very sorry to say, you might have involved a third party into it, and he felt cheated, and that's why you're very sorry about it. You could have apologized about this to your partner, but your partner is like no listen, is not listening at all. Okay. Any future for this relationship? Four of Cups and the Devil. This simply means that what I am getting is that you both are very much fascinated towards each other, but you might have taken it for granted, and your partner is feeling hurt about, because of the things that you did. You might have involved with a third party, and your partner got to know about it, and he just felt cheated, and now he is not accepting your offer. Whatever apologies you are putting in front of him, he is not accepting that. That's what I am getting. Okay. Very sad to hear this. Again, I'm telling you, my dear Pisces friend, this could be vice versa as well. So This the other partner could be you, and this could be your partner, whatever is going through him. So adjust with it, whatever you actually feels like. Let me get what your partner wants to say to you, although he is like not saying this to you. Let me get some cards for that. This is White Roses deck, and these are some beautiful cards. Please tell me what the partner of my Pisces friend wants to say to my friends, but are not able to say it because of their own reasons. Two cards I have got. One card is, you are a diamond of immense strength and beauty, and that's why he is feeling like shattered, because of the differences that has now come between you and him. For him, you are a diamond and you are very strong. I can never say it, but I do love you. Now, this is something like, he loves you, but he is so much hurt that he is not able to say this to you. One more card, one final card. What the partner of my Pisces friend wants to say to them, and they are not able to say. Okay. My love for you is without bound. Okay. You turn loose heaven within me. Now, these are some cards that I say that your partner feels about you. You are gem to him. He loves you, and he feels that even though you both might not have future, but still, he is like, he is he has some deep love for you. What advice card we can get from it? Let me get an advice card. Although what I could advise you is that don't let him go. Because he's such a wonderful person. He's such a wonderful person, and that's why you might be getting very much in depressed state in future, because you might be trying and he is not listening. That means give him some time, but at least show your affection. You need to show your affection to him. Okay, advice card for my Pisces friends. Advice card for my Pisces friends. Advice card for my Pisces friends. The Hierophant reversed. It could means that the Hierophant is a Taurus energy, and this could basically means you could be connecting with a Taurus, and you need to know to be, what I am getting is that you are supposed to be very mature in your thoughts. You are not being very mature. You are being a kind of kid kind of energy that I am getting. You need not to just show off what you don't feel. You need to feel from your bottom of your heart. Then only, even if you don't say anything, then also it comes from your eyes. You need to work on you, because you both are lovely couple, and I feel that you both are bliss to each other. So don't let him go, as well as just don't panic about it, because depression is what I am getting in future. You need to take action, but not stress about it. So my dear Pisces friends, please let me know if this resonated with you, because it's so immense reading. My god, great. This is Sri Vidya signing off. Bye.